When you wear things like this, people begin to define you by their own perceptions. They call you an evil man. They call you an evil person simply because in their various villages they may have seen someone who has been wearing this and doing all sorts of evil. They don't know, or rather they are yet to understand that you are displaying your culture. I am indeed displaying my culture in a unique way, and I'm proud of it. Today, I am going to address this very important topic that has continued to draw my attention. No matter how wicked you are, no matter how evil you are, no matter how devilish you are, no matter how bad you are, no matter how dangerous you are in these times, that things are changing rapidly, never you at any point in time offend divinity. Never you at any point in time offend humanity. Never you at any point in time offend nature in general. Never you at any point in time offend self. These are four entities you should always endeavor not to offend, no matter the circumstances, no matter the situations, no matter how provoked you may have been. Very careful, and we must be very conscious of all of this. Before I continue, I want to thank and appreciate my new subscribers. Thank you for considering this channel. Also, my returning subscribers, you have been amazing. I am proud of you. Please continue doing the good work. If today is your first day or the first time to watch any of my videos, you are welcome. Remember, I cherish you so much and I want you to belong to this family. Always subscribe, give us some thumbs up, hit the bell button for constant notification, and at the same time, don't forget to share to your friends so that, okay, our metrics will be recognized. Thank you for that. No matter whatever you are, no matter the disposition you see yourself or you find yourself, never you offend divinity. What do I mean by divinity? God. Don't you at any point in time, no matter how fragile we are in our attitude or character, never you at any point in time offend God. You know what? He says somewhere in John, if you are cut off from me, you become useless. If you are separated from God, you become useless. And the only thing that will cause this separation is our nature, our sinful nature. It's only our sinful nature. No wonder Proverbs puts it right. If we, in Proverbs 28, following, if we confess our sins, but if we hide it, we will never progress. So these are things that will detach us from God. Never you at any point in time offend God. If you do mistakenly, out of human nature, remember to always ask for forgiveness. Very, very important. The second one is humanity. So how can one offend humanity? Anytime you shed blood, anytime you kill, anytime you offend human beings, fellow human beings, you have offended humanity. Especially if you shed blood, if you pour blood of another man or another woman or a child or anybody, you have offended humanity. Remember the issue of Esau, all right? Cain, and so on and so forth. Never you at any point in time offend humanity. Then the third one is nature in general. There are 4 things that we shouldn't joke while we live on this earth. The first one is air. The air we breathe, don't joke with it. The second one is fire. Don't joke with fire. The third one is sea, ocean, rivers, water, so to say. Do not joke with them. Any of these don't. And then lastly, even though it's not the least, don't joke with yourself. You see these things? Don't joke with these elements I just mentioned. 4 of them. The land, very, very important. That's the 4th one. Don't joke with the land and yourself. The very moment you begin to joke with these things, play with them, they will leave you. And by the time they leave you, you begin to ask for them to return. And it might be difficult at that point in time. If air is seized from entering your nose, you are gone. If water is dried up, remember what happened when the children of Israel were thirsty. They begged for water. If water is dried up, that's it. If fire explodes, you are consumed. If land becomes angry with you, Abiram and Co case should be an example. It will open and swallow you, and it will never yield her increase unto you. My brothers, my sisters, we should be wise. The way we lead and live our lives on this planet Earth. Life is transient. It passes away at the snap of our finger. We should be very careful. Times can turn around in favor of another person. I repeat, times can turn around in favor of another person. See you, my brothers and sisters, in my next video. But before I end it, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me this wonderful thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for constant notification. Don't also forget to share so that our matrix and friends will be reached.